How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'll show you a simple, elegant proof that minus negative a is the same as a positive a. In other words, subtracting a negative number is the same as adding the number that is positive with the same magnitude. So, for example, 3 minus negative 2 is the same as 3 plus 2, which is 5. So subtracting a negative number is the same as adding the positive version of it, which is shown by this equation here. So why is that the case? Well, we can prove that as follows. Let's define b as being equal to negative a. That's what b is equal to. So whatever negative a is, that's what b is. If a is 7, well then b is negative 7. Whatever b might be, we know that b minus b is equal to 0. Because that's the case for any number. Anything minus itself is 0. Now let's substitute negative a in for b. So we have negative a minus negative a equals 0, right? Because b is equal to negative a, we're writing b minus b, we're just putting negative a instead of b. Now let's take this negative a here and bring it to the other side of the equal sign. We get negative a equals a. Because if we bring it to the other side of the equal sign, it becomes positive. And there you have it. We proved what we originally set out to prove. The negative of a negative value is equal to the positive of that value. Short, simple, elegant. 4 lines. So, I hope you enjoyed that, and until next time.